Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to look at the pronunciation of a new word. The word for today is Commercialize. Let me repeat, Commercialize. Please note down this word in your notebook and then we'll proceed further. So this word divides itself into 4 syllables. The 4 syllables are: syllable 1 is ka, syllable 2 is ma, syllable 3 is shell, and syllable 4 is ice. Let me repeat. Syllable 1 is ka, syllable 2 is ma, syllable 3 is shell, and syllable 4 is ice. Ka, ma, shell, ice. Ka, ma, shell, ice. Now, when we have 4 syllables, tell me which syllable is likely to attract the stress. So again, we take the 4th syllable out of contention because that is the last syllable. Okay, so we are left with syllables 1, 2, and 3. Now just listen. Ka, ma, shell. Ka, ma, shell. Now, if there are going to be 2 stress syllables, they will be 1 and 3. Okay, so the 3rd syllable will get the primary accent, and the first syllable will get the secondary accent. As I told you, accent and stress, I'm using it as synonyms, although they are not. Okay, so primary accented or primary stress syllable, and secondary accented or secondary stress syllable. But do they qualify for that? That is the question. Just listen to the syllables once again. Ka, ma, shell. Ka, ma, shell. If you notice, the second syllable, ma, contains a long vowel. Okay, so that is most likely to get the to attract the stress. Now, if the second syllable attracts the stress, the first and 3 go off. Okay, so first and 3 will not be considered. Plus, look at the first and 3 again. Ka contains a weak syllable. Ka. Okay, ka and then shwa. And the 3rd syllable also contains a weak syllable. Shell. It is ish, shwa, and then l. So these three syllables cannot attract stress. The 4th syllable because it's the final syllable. The 3rd syllable because it contains a weak vowel. The 1st syllable again because it contains a weak vowel. We are left with only one candidate, that is the second syllable. The second syllable, ma. So obviously that is going to attract stress. Now, I wanted to pause the video here. Now that I've given you so many clues, now that we have discussed it so, I mean, not clues exactly, we've discussed it so thoroughly, try to pronounce it, pause the video, pronounce the word, and then see if you can pronounce it, and then match it with the pronunciation that I give you. Okay, so pause the video. Okay, so if you have tried the pronunciation to pronounce this word, the pronunciation of this word goes like this. Now compare. Okay, commercialize, 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 commercialize. Now, if you notice, the second syllable is being given the prominence. There is only one accented, one stress syllable. Ma, that is the second syllable. So let me share the chat screen with you. So this is the word for today, commercialize. Okay, and let me share the transcription also with you. So there we are, commercialize. And if you notice, syllables 1 and syllable 3 are syllables 1 and 3 are have weak vowels. Now look at syllable 4. Now let me discuss syllable 4. Syllable 4 has got a diphthong in it, but look at it. A diphthong, even if it is in the last syllable, and if there are more than 3 syllables in a word, will not be considered as part of the English stress system. It will not attract stress. So let me repeat, even if there is a, follow the cursor please, even if there is a diphthong, we will not, the English stress system will not consider it. Now, that is why we have just one stress syllable, commercialize. Now, you may be tempted to say, commercialize, commercialize. That is, eyes gets the primary stress, ma gets the secondary stress. Perfect. It's not a wrong thing to do, but don't forget that the last syllable in English is never stressed, except in words of 1, 2, and 3 syllables. In words of 3 syllables, if the last syllable is stressed, then obviously it is usually 99% from of French origin. It's from the French language. Okay, so let me share screen again. The word for today is commercialize. That's again a 4-syllable word. Okay, so we are looking at a lot of 4-syllable words. Commercialize. And well, let me give you a very small exercise to do. Let us assume that I'm going to pronounce the word commercialization. Tell me where the stress will be. So this is the, I won't say the homework, but we are going to discuss that word also. Just as yesterday, I said that we'll be discussing in the previous yesterday. By yesterday, I mean the previous video. I told you that we'll be discussing longer words. So longer words, by which I mean after suffixes get attached to such a word. For example, you attach shun to commercialize, so it becomes commercialization. And well, I think I've already given you the clue. Just see how or where the stress lies in the word commercialization. Okay, so with this, I'd like to say goodbye. The word for today is commercialize. Obviously, the long vowel has attracted the stress to itself, and that is in the second syllable. Please keep practicing. Please keep watching the videos, and please keep your questions coming in. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.